Hi Gary, hi Linda. This is Jackie Otwell with Maxhouse Marketing. I spoke with Linda briefly last week about me creating this little custom video of a website audit of your current website. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and it'll be about 5 minutes long. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and Google HVAC companies DFW. This top section up here is the ad section. As you can see, it says sponsored, so these people are all paying for ads. This section down here begins the Google Map Pack. If you're not part of that, we would go ahead and add you to it, and you want to work on that as well. A lot of times your website won't rank if your Google Map Pack isn't ranking, and vice versa. And then this right here begins the organic section. So this is where the actual ranking begins. As you can see, these two top spots are directory links, and then I am going to go ahead and use the first independent contractor on this list. So this is the #1 spot for an independent contractor and HVAC on this particular search. So what I'm going to do first is bring up their website, and the first topic we're going to cover is content. So what is content? Content is any wording or verbiage throughout your website. For the purpose of this, we're going to focus on the homepage specifically. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab everything off of their homepage, and I am going to place it into a word counter. And you can see they have about 1,800 words of content on their homepage. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for you and grab everything off of your homepage and place that into the word counter. And you have about 400 words of content. So Google actually recommends us having 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on our homepage. Reason being is that this provides 1,000 to 2,000 opportunities for us to be brought in for Google searches, etc. What we want to do is we want to stuff keyword-rich content onto your homepage. So I'd add about 1,500 more words of content to your homepage after doing some research on specific keywords we would need to bring in and generate more traffic for you. So that leads me to our second topic. What are keywords? So keywords are these little phrases that people type into Google to populate you. So what I do next is I'm going to grab this website and stick it into an online tool that I use called Ahrefs. So Ahrefs is essentially an online website auditor. Right off the bat, you can see they have a pretty high traffic value, but we're going to go ahead and focus on their keywords. I'm going to go ahead and do the same for you, and just in comparison, you can take a glance at this traffic value and the number of keywords that you have. So I'm going to go ahead and look at their keywords. Right off the bat, gas furnace service near me, HVAC services, heating and air conditioning installation. Although these have high search volumes, these are nationwide keywords. What this means is there's not a location attached, so someone in Oregon essentially could Google this and possibly populate that website. Are these buyer intent customers that are going to generate you revenue and money? No. Unless you plan on hopping on a plane and flying to Oregon to service that customer, that's not really the kind of traffic we're looking to generate. We're looking for things with locations attached, so air conditioning repair Dallas, HVAC repair Dallas, HVAC Dallas. Those are going to bring in buyer intent customers, meaning someone in this area is Google searching for that, they're calling a company, and they're looking for that service, and they're looking to pay for that service. So those are the kind of customers that we're looking for, and those are the kind of keywords that we want to use on our website. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at your keywords and see what you have. Air conditioning, Carrollton, Texas, HVAC, Carrollton. Air conditioning service, Carrollton, Texas. So I see a lot of Carrollton. There's tons of surrounding and small towns that we could go ahead and grab for you to generate more traffic. I see a lot of Carroll heating and cooling. The issue with this being the majority of your keywords is that the only people who are going to Google that are people who know about your company. So we're trying to generate more traffic and bring in customers that you don't have and that don't know about you. So I definitely think there's tons of room for improvement in the keyword department, which could really generate so much more traffic for you. So that leads me to the third topic that we're going to talk about, which are backlinks. So what are backlinks? And a backlink is essentially anywhere throughout the internet that this website is placed. So somewhere throughout the entire internet, this website, Baker Brothers Plumbing, their air conditioning page, is placed 84 times. Not all backlinks are created equal. You don't necessarily have to have 85 to outrank them. You could have 40 and outrank them if you have stronger, higher powered backlinks. So let's go ahead and look at your backlinks. And as mentioned, you have 457 backlinks, but they are ranking higher. And a lot of this has to do with, we can definitely, once we renovate these keywords in your content and really get those higher power backlinks, we can really start getting you moving on the rankings. So as mentioned, I hope that this was informative for you. Of course, feel free to incorporate these tips on your own or with the current company you're using. But as always, you can also reach out to me for more information. I would love to help you and have a chat with you on your business goals, and we could really get stuff moving. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you so much.